Yeah, it is definitely soupy out there this morning with those temperatures in the upper 60s. We'll still see those south winds today, but a shift in the winds a little bit later today. There will be the first of two fronts moving in a little bit later today. That's going to help focus our shower and thunderstorm chances along that front as well. But we'll still see those temperatures upper 60s now, low 70s, I think, for the most part today. We'll have some mid upper 70s a little farther south of that front as we head later into today. But let's get into the rain chances that will be coming our way. We've only seen some spotty light showers around so far this morning, but that's already starting to increase a little bit up along the Red River from Denton County, heading up toward Gainesville and Sherman there on into Oklahoma. That's where we've had a little more widespread activity. So kind of isolated, spotty in nature as we come down into North Texas. But as we go through the morning now, heading toward midday, the shower and storm chances will increase. And we'll put that coverage today at around 50% or so. Then it tapers off tonight going through the day on Tuesday. But then Tuesday night going into Wednesday, more widespread showers and storms. That's going to be with that second front that works its way in. So some of those will linger until the very early part of Wednesday before we dry out later in the week, but that colder air does spill in behind the front. So here's what it looks like with our timecast heading toward midday today. The showers and storms become more scattered across the area for around lunchtime today, and that continues for that drive home, maybe around the time you're picking the kids up from school as we head toward 3-4 o'clock this afternoon. And then as we head later into the evening, that begins to shift a little farther south. So fairly widespread with the showers and storms. So a good chance that a lot of us will see some rain and storms. Severe weather right now not anticipated, but maybe some small hail with any stronger storms that we could see. The winds may kick up a little bit, but the lightning, I think, will be the main concern with this activity as it begins to taper off heading on into this evening. So as we head toward tomorrow morning, we should be dry, and I think that will be the case for the most part on Tuesday. But then Tuesday night, heading into Wednesday, here comes that next stronger front dropping in. So I think the rain and storms will be mainly during the overnight hours, heading into the very early part of Wednesday morning. And then that shifts farther east, or farther south and east. And then that chillier air does begin to spill in behind the front. Nothing overly too widespread as far as the heavy rain is concerned. A quarter to maybe upwards of a half an inch of rain across the area. Maybe some locally higher amounts approaching an inch, a little farther south and east with the rainfall through Wednesday. All right, here's that 14-day forecast for you. A warm start this week, then we'll be back down into the mid-upper 30s as we head toward tomorrow or Thursday morning, and we'll have some low mid-30s around. Those temperatures pretty seasonable but dry as we head toward the end of the week. And then as we get into Christmas week, we're looking at those temperatures that do start to warm back up. It looks like we'll see those temperatures back into the 60s for daytime highs Christmas Eve and heading into Christmas Day. All right, one more check on traffic. Back over to the station.